Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a warm welcome to the remarkable graduates as they enter the hall and step into their bright future. Graduates, may I kindly request everyone to settle in. Additionally, we ask our graduates to please take their assigned numbers provided. Your cooperation is greatly appreciated. Thank you for your attention and cooperation. Before we proceed with the program, we kindly request that all attendees ensure their mobile phones are set to silent mode. Should you need to take an urgent call, please do so outside the hall to avoid any disturbances. Thank you.
कार्यक्रममा अघि बढ्नुभन्दा अगाडि यहाँ उपस्थित सबै महानुभावहरूलाई आफ्नो फोन साइलेन्ट मोडमा राखिदिनु हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछौँ। धन्यवाद।
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen.
Welcome to the Prime Graduation Ceremony 2081.
I, Yurika Shrestha,
And I, Sujita Manandar, are delighted to be a host of Prime Graduation Ceremony.
Before we begin, let's take a moment to acknowledge the presence of our commencement speaker, board chairperson, directors of the board, promoters, our principal, vice principal, head of departments, faculties, staff, members of the executive board of Alumni Association, parents, guardians, distinguished guests, and most importantly, the reason we are all here today, the extraordinary graduates of Prime College.
आदरणीय अभिभावकज्यूहरू, हजुरहरूले प्राइम कलेजप्रति ठुलो आस्था र विश्वास गरेर तपाईँहरूको सन्ततिको स्तरीय शिक्षाको लागि प्राइम कलेजलाई रोजिदिनु भएकोमा हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त गर्दछौँ। आजको यस गौरवपूर्ण क्षणमा हामी हजुरहरूकै खुसी र सन्तुष्टि साथसाथै आज दीक्षित हुने हाम्रा दाजु र दिदीज्यूहरूलाई हार्दिक बधाई ज्ञापन गर्न चाहन्छौँ।
Graduation is the bittersweet farewell to one chapter, marking the beginning of countless dreams yet to be realized. To the graduates, your efforts have been paid off and you stand here today on the threshold of new chapters in your life. We are deeply honored to stand before you as your host as we celebrate this momentous occasion of achievement, perseverance, and growth. Each of you has overcome these challenges and reached this important milestone. So, let us come together to celebrate the achievement of our primarian. Congratulations to the graduate of 2081 of Prime College. Now, officially beginning the program by seat-taking ceremony, we'd like to request the board chairperson of Prime Educational Inc., Mr. Vijay Bahadur Shrestha, to chair today's ceremony. We are delighted to have our former principal, Professor Dr. Krishna Kumar Shrestha, here with us today. He is a renowned botanist of international standing. Please give him a round of applause. Similarly, our commencement speaker for today's auspicious event, we have Mr. Deepak Raj Sapkota, Executive Director of Karuna Foundation, Nepal, Honorary Council of the Kingdom of the Netherlands in Nepal, Kathmandu, who has graced us with his presence.
We would like to invite Principal of Prime College, N.P. Sharma sir, to honor the commencement speaker by offering khada and a bouquet.
Thank you, sir. We are grateful for your presence and your valuable time.
माननीय अध्यक्षज्यू, प्राचार्यज्यू र यस कार्यक्रमको कमिट्समेन्ट स्पिकरज्यूलाई आसन ग्रहण गरिदिनु भएकोमा हार्दिक धन्यवाद व्यक्त गर्दछौँ।
To officially commence the program, we respectfully call upon the board chairperson, Mr. Vijay Bahadur Shrestha, and principal of Prime College, N.P. Sharma, to light the panas.
आजको यस कार्यक्रमको सुरुवात गर्नुभएकोमा विजय बहादुर सर, श्रेष्ठ सर र एनपी शर्मा सरले हार्दिक कृतज्ञता व्यक्त गर्दछौँ। धन्यवाद सर।
Ladies and gentlemen, we now request everyone in the hall to please rise before your seats and join us for the national anthem.
राष्ट्रको सम्मानमा राष्ट्रिय गानको लागि हाम्रो साथ दिन हुन सबैलाई हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछौँ।
शान्ति भूमि तराई पहाड हिमाल अखण्ड यो प्यारो हाम्रो मातृभूमि नेपाल बहु जाति भाषा धर्म संस्कृति छन् विशाल अग्रगामी राष्ट्र हाम्रो जय जय नेपाल।
Moving forward, we would like to request the principal of Prime College, N.P. Sharma sir, to come up on the stage for his welcome address.
Respected chairperson of the program and the board chairperson, Mr. Vijay Bahadur Shrestha, commencement speaker, Mr. Deepak Raj Sapkota, respected directors of the board, respected former principal, Professor Krishna Kumar Shrestha sir, graduates of Prime College, respected parents and guardians, guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon. Prime College has the tradition of honoring its graduates in a graduation program every year. Continuing the tradition, I am glad we are celebrating the achievements and accomplishments accomplishments of our graduates, mainly the class of 2075 and of previous classes today at this beautiful place. We are observing this program with great joy and happiness, glorifying our history of 24 years of educational services offered to the beloved young brains of the nation. On this auspicious occasion, let me extend, on behalf of the entire team of Prime College, a very warm and sincere welcome to you all to this program being organized for our BBA, BBM, BBS, BCA, BIM, BSc CSIT, and MBS graduates of 2081. Dear graduates, congratulations on your huge success. Dear graduates, I am sure you have undertaken the intellectual adventure at Prime for the 4 years you were with us. By involving yourselves in various activities and programs, you developed the skill to work together as a team and strive to excel despite various challenges. I am certain that the life skills you have attained throughout this process will help you in myriads of ways in your future. I am confident that the intellectual adventure you have embarked upon at Prime will set you apart and open new possibilities for you all. You are now leaving the college mastering not only the content of your academic subjects, but also different abilities expected by our system. These abilities are, but not limited to the following: asking questions and exploring how the world works, generating new ideas and applying them in practice, analyzing information and making reasoned arguments and judgments, expressing your thoughts and feelings clearly and confidently, working constructively with others, respecting their perspectives, empathizing with others and acting accordingly, engaging constructively with your community and society, and understanding your own inner life and have personal harmony and balance. Dear graduates, with all the qualities that I just mentioned, you are well equipped to engage yourselves in the economic, cultural, social, and personal challenges that you will be facing in your lives. I feel confident that you are now imaginative, innovative, creative, intellectually incisive, research-oriented, competitive, smart, independent, empathetic, and above all, kind-hearted and valued member of the national as well as international communities. As a result, you characterize our motto: initiate, explore, innovate. I acknowledge that in the process of your achievements and intellectual growth at Prime, you have helped and supported the college to create a better educational environment. Please accept our sincere thanks and appreciation for all of your positive contributions. I would hope that you will continue to be in touch with us and let us know of your innovative and novel ideas and suggestions to further improve our educational process at Prime. I am extremely proud of you graduates. As you are now very capable and confident to compete, you will shine in various fronts at national and international levels. So I believe you all are the ambassadors of Prime to the greater national and international communities. My best wishes to you all. Having said this, I would like to welcome everyone present here today to this program once again and hope you will enjoy the time. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words. College life teaches us to be independent. It exposes us to new experiences and the things that we were not familiar with earlier. To further share the experience, we are honored to welcome on the stage Mr. Sriman Shrestha, member of the first BBM batch of Prime College. Let's welcome him with a huge round of applause.
Thank you for having me. Greetings to everyone. This is Sriman Shrestha, one of the graduate of BBM faculty. It's an honor to stand before you representing 2075 graduates as we celebrate the incredible milestone. Today marks the end of one chapter and exciting start of another. We celebrate our hard work, dedication, and growth. On the behalf of all the graduates, I take the privilege of sharing a few words of gratitude and commitment. Like all of you, I also had the nervousness and anxiety of choosing the college, but now I can say it loud. This was one of the best choices I made. College was a whole window of late-night study sessions, new friendships, and discovering passion. The journey was challenging yet rewarding, shaping me into a more confident and capable individual. The most beautiful chapter that inspired me is to become master of the destiny. The only way you can do that is if you are educated and stand in your own 2 feet. As a child, I had very low self-esteem. I was a kid with full of fear, didn't believe in myself at all. The only thing that I knew that I had was the ability to work hard, and that is what I did. Believe in yourself that you can bring impact in your surrounding. Don't get stuck in the past and failure. Enjoy every second in the present and work hard for the future. As we graduate, I want to conclude by saying, expressing sincere gratitude and respect to our program coordinator, Susma ma'am, our respected teacher, Amit sir, Vivek sir, and all the teachers who embarked on this journey with us. This would never have been possible without the support and encouragement from my family. Thank you for everything. At last, I want to congratulate all the graduates. Let us all move forward to the new chapter with a hope, aspiration, and courage. Thank you for being here until we meet next.
Thank you, Dai, for your wonderful words.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is now my pleasure to introduce our distinguished commencement speaker for this year's graduation ceremony. We have Mr. Deepak Raj Sapkota, the Executive Director of Karuna Foundation Nepal and the Honorary Council of the Kingdom of Netherlands in Nepal. Additionally, he is an active member of Nepal's Central Child Justice Committee. Prior to this role, Mr. Deepak Raj Sapkota committed 8 years of service to the Nepal's Children's Organization, the country's oldest and largest child welfare organization. Furthermore, he was appointed by the Council of Ministers of Nepal as the inaugural Executive Director of the Central Child Welfare Board.
Please join me in giving him a warm welcome up on the stage.
Good afternoon, everybody. Respected Chair, Principal, faculties, guests, alumni, and the star of today, and of course tomorrow. Let me first congratulate you on your outstanding achievement and the celebration that we are having now. सबैजनालाई धेरै धेरै बधाई र शुभकामना. As you stand on the threshold of this new chapter in your lives, it's worth remembering that the world you are stepping into is complex and ever evolving. The skill and knowledge you have gained here are invaluable, but they are only the beginning. The real world will challenge you in every possible way you cannot yet imagine, and success will require more than just academic excellence. It will demand resilience, adaptability, experience, and commitment to the lifelong learning. One of the most profound lessons that I have learned in my journey is that success is not a destination, but a journey that is compounded by resilience, perseverance, and integrity. The path to achieving your dream will not always be straight or smooth. There will be detours, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But these are not obstacles. They are opportunities to grow, learn, and refine your vision. As you now ready and eligible for your career pursuit, I want to ask you all a question. Are you prepared for what is next? By the way, how do you define a career pursuing? To go to the job market, start or scale your own enterprise, further studies here in Nepal and abroad, or anything else? What is career and what is the future? Let me share with you two inspiring and motivating examples of Deven, a hairdresser, and Amir Bamjan, the painter and the optimist. The first one, Deven, a Tamang boy from Nuwakot district, a remote Nuwakot, a village of Nuwakot district. After completing his SLC, came to Kathmandu like many youngsters to pursue his career. Went through all the struggles as a young man without even a place to stay and start to go ahead. He became a painter. He started to work as a construction worker. Study was not his area of interest. Unknowingly, hairstyling was his interest. Deep inside, he realized. Decided to pursue a career there Once again, tons of confrontations, insults, and humiliation. He was just about to drop this idea. His intuition refostered his willpower, and almost after 3 good years of struggle, he is well-established hairdresser with 30 young employees of all genders in Hatigauda on the way to Budanilakanta. He is keen to train more youths as it is rewarding profession. He is very happy with his profession and expand the business throughout the country. But you know what? He has not found committed youths who are ready even to try. Sometimes we are maybe looking for too easy solutions. The second story, Amir, a 22-year-old youth, profoundly disabled, is the main source of bread for his family. He is married and has a daughter. His aspirations to do good are beyond comparisons. Let's play the video of Amir, which is of 2 minutes. Isn't it amazing story? You know, whenever I feel challenged, Amir is the source of inspirations to me. So after seeing and listening these 2 instances, let's talk about life's objective. Here in Nepal, we worry a lot about the nature of work and tag the occupation is Thulo and Sano Kam. What is Thulo Kam and Sano Kam? Is there any distinctions? Work that satisfies you, give a return on your value of time, and contributes to fostering humanity is much more important than tagging the work that you do. Just because a work is termed Thulo does not mean it is satisfying, rewarding, and contributing. Thulo Kam, Sano Kam, Thulo Manche, Sano Manche are nothing in life but the societal perceptions. If you feel fulfilled and content and know what you are doing, that's all matters. Draw a line of your ambition and foster it. Do not get scattered, and most importantly, do not be burdened by your own dreams. Dare to fail rather than not to take any action. Act and learn and move. This is how life goes on. As you embark on your professional careers, I encourage you to embrace the challenges with an open mind and positive attitude. View every difficulty as a stepping stone, a greater understanding and capability. Remember, it is through overcoming adversity that we often discover our true potential. Failing isn't bad as long as you have faith in what you are doing and believe in what you are aiming for. Networking and building relationships will play an instrumental role in your professional journey. Surround yourself with people who inspire you, who challenge you to think differently, and think and act out of box, and support you in times of need. Finally, as a citizen of 21st century, we are all responsible for the continuation of human beings, together with all living and non-living things, in harmony, not in hierarchy. The earth is for every living and non-living things of this globe. It's not only for us. We have to be responsible towards that direction. Climate change is one of the ill threats to all of us, including Mother Earth. Let us be sensitive, honest, and real towards the issue and work together to make the earth a livable place for all living and non-living things. Use your limited time. Believe me, we all have limited time to get the best out of everything. Everything that you believe, your passion, your dreams, your ideas, and use the power of family. Do not forget family. Family is the base of your everything. And friends to make it happen. Let me quote Thomas Sankara, the former president of Burkina Faso, before I conclude my speech. You cannot carry out fundamental changes without a certain amount of madness. You cannot carry out fundamental changes without certain amount of madness. In this case, comes from non-conformity, the courage to turn your back on the old formulas, and the courage to invent the future. Congratulations once again, and may your journey ahead be filled with success, fulfillment, joy, and endless possible. Let's celebrate the success together. All the very, very best to all of you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your advice and guidance to all our graduates.
May I kindly request Mr. Deepak Raj Sapkota, sir, to please come up on the stage once again. Also, like to request both chairperson to join us on the stage to hand over the token of love to our distinguished speaker who has shared his valuable insight and knowledge with us today. Thank you so much, sir. You may now all take your respective seats.
अब भने हामी हाम्रो ब्याच टपर्सहरूलाई एकाडेमिक्समा राम्रो प्रस्तुति गर्नुभएको र प्राइम कलेज अभिभावक र आफ्नो नाम उच्च राख्नुभएकोमा हार्दिक बधाई ज्ञापन गर्न चाहन्छौँ। तपाईँहरूको मेहनतलाई हामी सम्मान गर्छौँ र अझै ठुलो सफलताको लागि कामना गर्छौँ।
Now, it is our privilege to recognize the outstanding students of Prime College for their exceptional academic achievements and contribution to our institution. First, we will be starting with the toppers of BBA faculty. I would like to welcome Mr. Rupendra Gopali, Vice Principal, Management Programs, up on the stage to hand over the trophies to our toppers. Similarly, in the second position, we have Priya Shrestha. Let's give her a huge round of applause. Well, I guess she is not present in today's graduation ceremony. So moving on.
In the first position, we have Nukriti Gautam. Let's give a huge round of applause. And congratulations. Thank you, Rupinder sir. You may now take your respective seat. Additionally, for the toppers of BBM faculty, now I'd like to request Mrs. Susma Maharjan, former BBM coordinator of Prime College, current principal of Prime Global School, and ethics and standard officer of Prime Educational Inc. to come up on the stage and join us. In the first position, we have Shriman Shrestha. Let's congratulate him with a huge clap. A huge round of applause to all the position holders. Thank you, Susma ma'am. You may now take your respective seat.
Likewise, let us congratulate the position holders of BBS graduate. Now, I would like to call Mr. Amit Stapit, coordinator of MBS and BBS program and director of Prime Career Center, up on the stage.
For the third position, we have Sagar Samser Bista. Let's give a huge round of applause.
Similarly, in the second position, we have Nitesh Maharjan. Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause.
as the first position holder. Well, I think is not present at today's graduation ceremony. So, thank you, sir. Now you may take your respective seat. Now, moving on with the toppers of BCA faculty. And I would like to call upon the stage Vice Principal of IT Programs, Engineer Rolisa Stapit. For the third position, we have Sunny Shrestha. A huge round of applause to the position holder. Well, I guess he is also not present at today's graduation ceremony.
Similarly, Akash Chauhan for the second position. Let's give him a big clap.
Let's appreciate Pramila Shrestha as the first position holder. Well, I guess he's not present at today's graduation ceremony. So a huge round of applause to all the position holders. Thank you, ma'am. Now you may take your respective seat.
Now, it is time to award the academic position of BIM graduates. I would like to welcome Mr. Rupendra Gopali once again on the stage for the toppers of BIM graduates.
In the third position, we have Aditya Das Tuladar. Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for him.
Similarly, in the second position, we have Ajasala Bhattacharya. Let's give her a big clap.
Achieving the first position, we have Yasu Stapit. I think he's also not present at today's graduation ceremony. So thank you, sir. Please take your respective seat. Moving on, it is now time for the toppers of BSc CSIT graduates. Once again, I would like to call upon the stage Engineer Rolisa Stapit.
We have Sunisha Bhattarai. Let us give her a big clap.
And the first position is secured by Samima Thapa. Let's welcome her with a huge clap. Thank you, ma'am. You may now take your respective seat.
Forward with the MBS graduate.
We have Lisa Tamang securing the second position.
And in the first position, we have Binju Shakya. Due to unforeseen circumstances, they were unable to be present to receive their trophies at the graduation ceremony. So moving on, thank you everyone and congratulations to all the batch toppers.
प्राइम कलेजमा विभिन्न स्टुडेन्ट क्लब्सहरू छन् जसमा विभिन्न कार्यक्रम भइरहन्छन् स्टुडेन्ट क्लब्सहरूले विभिन्न काम गरी आफ्नो क्लबको मात्रै नभई प्राइम कलेजको नाम उच्च राख्न सफल हुनुभएको छ अब भने हामी हाम्रो ट्यालेन्टेड क्लब प्रेसिडेन्ट्सहरूलाई सम्मान गर्न गइरहेका छौँ
Now it is our privilege to recognize the presidents of all our Prime Students Club, acknowledging their remarkable contribution to their respective clubs and to our college community as a whole. For this, I would like to call upon the stage Mr. Neeraj Thapa Magar, MLRC Coordinator of Prime College. Ladies and gentlemen, President of Prime Sports Club, Mr. Siddharth Regmi, let us welcome him with a big clap.
Culture Club, Ms. Neeti Tamrakar.
Next, the president of Prime IT Club, Ms. Pramila Shrestha. A big round of applause.
Similarly, let's give a huge round of applause for the president of Prime Entrepreneurial Management Club, Ms. Swastika Baskota. Thank you, Neeraj sir. You may now take your respective seat. And congratulations to all our club presidents.
Today, as we gather to celebrate the accomplishment of our graduates, it is important that we also acknowledge and appreciate the incredible dedication and determination of our staff. Behind every success story of each graduate present here, there is a team of committed educators and staff members who have worked tirelessly to provide support, guidance, and inspiration. I would like to invite our board chairperson, Mr. Vijay Bahadur Shrestha, and principal of Prime College to join us on the stage and grace us with your presence, as it is now our privilege to recognize the outstanding team members of Prime College for their exceptional achievement and contribution to our institution.
It's time to celebrate the dedication and commitment of the staff members of Prime College who have served this institution for more than 10 years. Without further ado, let's welcome Mr. Rupak Maharzan with a huge round of applause.
We will now move on with our team member, Mr. Sudan Prajapati. Please join me in welcoming him with a big round of applause.
Next, we have Mrs. Kavina Maharzan. Thank you and congratulations. I request respected sir to please take back your seats.
Before we proceed with the felicitation, we would like to take a moment to observe a minute of silence in the memory of Ganesh Gautam from the BBA faculty that we have lost. Let us honor his life and legacy with our silent tribute.
कार्यक्रममा अघि बढ्नुभन्दा अगाडि हाम्रो बीबीए फ्याकल्टीको एक स्टुडेन्ट गणेश गौतमको सम्झनामा 1 मिनेट मौन धारण गर्न चाहन्छौँ, जसलाई हामीले गुमाएका छौँ। हामी उनको जीवनलाई हाम्रो मौन श्रद्धाञ्जली मार्फत सम्मान गरौँ। धन्यवाद। धन्यवाद सबैजनालाई।
Respected parents, may I kindly request for the benefits of all attendees, parents and guardians refrain from coming forward to take photographs during the event. We appreciate your understanding and cooperation in maintaining a smooth and unobstructed experiences for everyone.
अब पनि हामी हाम्रो दीक्षान्त समारोह सुरु गर्न गइरहेका छौँ। सबै ग्रेजुएट्सहरूलाई आफ्नो नाम बोलाइसी स्टेजमा आइदिनु हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछौँ। साथसाथै सम्पूर्ण अभिभावकहरूलाई सिटमा बसिदिनु हुन आग्रह गर्दछौँ। आजको कार्यक्रमको सबै फोटोज हाम्रो अफिसियल वेबसाइटमा अपलोड हुने भएकाले सबै अभिभावकज्यूहरूलाई फोटो लिन अगाडि नआइदिनु हुन हार्दिक अनुरोध गर्दछौँ। धन्यवाद।
I request respected volunteers to assist in keeping the lines under control. Now, we will be moving on with the felicitation of BBA graduates. Once again, I would like to invite our board chairperson and principal sir to hand over the certificates and token of love to our graduates. Now, we will be starting with the topper felicitation of BBA program. Ashish Timilsina.
आयुषी प्रधान।
Abhyas Khadka.
अलीशा छेत्री।
Alka Senyang Limbu.
अंकित श्रेष्ठ।
Vivek Lamsal.
विज्ञान हर्की।
Divina Yadhi.
दिनेश रोका। गरिमा छेत्री,
Gaurav Adhikari.
ईशा तुलादर,
Janeli Sunar.
कवि स्थापित,
Kareena Khadka.
लुनिवा महर्जन,
Milan Thapa.
नीति ताम्राकार,
Yukriti Gautam.
नूरजा अधिकारी,
Palpasa Maharjan.
प्रजीता स्थापित,
Prasanna Khanal.
प्रिया श्रेष्ठ, प्रियङ्का श्रेष्ठ
Robin Baidya.
रीता श्रेष्ठ
Sabina Dahal.
सागर थापा
Saloni Shrestha.
सनिषा महर्जन
Sharon Tuladar.
शीतल श्रेष्ठ
Siddhartha Regmi.
सोनम विश्वकर्मा
Subhash Nepal.
सुदीक्षा श्रेष्ठ सुदीक्षा शर्मा
Dan Tuladar.
सुसन श्रेष्ठ Natasha Sakya.
Rumi Maharjan.
Samyukta Silakar.
Shriman Shrestha.
Sujal Shrestha.
Tina Baba Dhaka. Now, moving on with the felicitation of BBS graduate. Anup Misra.
Irina Shrestha.
Nancy Shrestha.
Niro Sakya.
Nitesh Maharjan.
Prakriti Rana Magar.
Sagar Shamsher Misra.
Sanjina Maharjan.
Himesh Khimire.
Krisha Dangol.
Rohani Vaidya.
रेणुका मगर,
Sabina Khadka.
सृष्टि गुरुङ,
Shriyansha Tuladar.
अनिशा तुलादर,
Nika Mahajan.
निकेश नकर्मी,
Samir Ali Dewan.
आकाश साक्य,
Mamik Raj Mahajan.
प्रकृति मानन्दर,
Eric Singh.
एएस दिव्या,
Kalash Manandar.
शैलेश खड्की,
Ashram Pop.
कर्मा डोल्मा गुरुङ,
Similarly, moving on with the felicitation of BCA graduates, Akash Chauhan.
बलराम श्रेष्ठ,
Janice Maharjan,
महिमा भण्डारी,
Pramila Shrestha,
I will also like to request Sir to hand over Batch Topper Award as she has secured the first position. Rohit Casey,
Rupa Khadka,
Rupesh Sahi, Sunny Shrestha,
Shashank Khadki,
Suman Maharjan,
Trilochan Aryal, Moving forward with the felicitation of BIM graduates, Arjab Maharjan,
Abhishek Sen,
Aditya Das Tuladar,
Ajasalla Bhattacharya,
Anshu Thapa,
Anurag Bhattrai,
Anusha Shrestacharya,
Ashish Chopra,
Bobin Munikar. Kanchan Maharjan. Matungel.
Shivani Thapa.
Sylvia Shakya.
Tejan Shrestha.
Continuing with the felicitation of BSc CSIT graduates. Abha Shahi.
Adarsa Karki.
Ayush Shrestha.
Ayush Ranjit.
Abhishek Dahal.
Anahat Basnet.
Anil Kumar.
Anis Karki.
Anish Maharjan.
Anjal Pandey.
Anu Shrestha.
ईशान राई,
Kamal Shrestha.
कुशाल श्रेष्ठ,
Lawson Tuladar.
मनीष थापा मगर,
Poonam Kaur.
प्रतीक खड्का,
Pukar Khanal.
राहुल लामा,
Reshu Mahajan.
रूपेश भट्ट,
Sahan Shrestha.
समीमा थापा,
Santoshi Kafle.
शिराज श्रेष्ठ,
Srizana Adhikari. Sudhir Manandar.
Sudeep Shrestha.
Susan Gharti Magar.
Sunisa Bhattarai.
Suraj Sedhai.
Sushant Singh Basnet.
Sushil Suhang.
Shushmita Lohani.
Sostika Baskota.
Uruna Sakya.
Yash Maharjan.
Abhimat Dangol.
Amir Baral.
Ashok Adhikari.
Ashok Rai.
Atul Singh Bista.
Vishal Karmacharya.
Divya Darshan Khanal.
Niti Upadhyaya.
प्रसन्न श्रेष्ठ
Reason Maharjan.
सबल श्रेष्ठ
Sahil Kumar Ranjit.
सौगात रिमाल
Spandan Prajapati.
स्वीकृत राज दहाल
Utsav Ratna Kangsakar. Last but not the least, felicitation of MBS graduate.
बिन्जु साक्य
Lija Tamang. Now moving on with the felicitation of BBA. Juneli Sunar.
ममिक राज महर्जन Thank you both chairperson and our principal sir. You may now take your respective seats. A huge congratulations to all our graduates.
Ladies and gentlemen, it is our pleasure to announce the formation of Prime Association and Network for Alumni, PANA. The new organization is designed to keep the bond strong between Prime College and our graduate, creating a community where all Prime alumni can stay connected and support each other. PANA aims to foster a sense of belonging among our alumni, while also contributing to the growth of our beloved institution. The vision is to build a network of professionals who can offer support, mentorship, and opportunities not only to current students but also to fellow alumni. For our new graduates, there are several ways to get involved.
1. Join a community. Whether you are interested in event planning, communications, or membership, there is a place for you in PANA. Your involvement will help to shape the future of our alumni community. 2. Become a member. We encourage you to officially join PANA. New students can also join as associate members. For more details or to sign up, please reach out to us at PANA Executive Board.
To our dear graduates, we kindly remind you that the graduation gown must be returned within 4 days from Monday to Thursday, that is 28th to 31st of Shravan, during the hours of 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. at Prime College. Thank you.
As we move toward the ceremony, we would like to invite our principal, N.P. Sarma sir, to come up on the stage and share a few words with us. Please join me in welcoming him.
Respected Chairperson, today it is my real delight to congratulate the Prime graduates once again on their success. I very sincerely wish that they all will be responsible men and women who manifest integrity, compassion, and leadership. They are now a part of an exceptional network of people who can make a difference in this fast-paced world of today. I wish good luck to every one of them. Last but not the least, I take this opportunity to thank and express my appreciation and thank you to the directors of the board, promoters, CEO, the heads of department, principals of Prime Global School and Prime International School, faculties, support staff, parents, graduation committee members, our MPRE department, Tirubani University, friends, well-wishers of the college, and all others who helped and supported to make this program a great success. I also congratulate our team members who were recognized for their long service today. Respected parents and guardians, you passionately supported these young brains throughout their educational journey at Prime. For that matter, please accept my sincere thank you and appreciation. I express my gratitude to you all. I also thank Hyatt Regency for providing this space and supporting us enthusiastically in different steps of our event. Once again, my sincere thank you to all the people present here today. Hope you enjoyed the program. After having said this, let me introduce a person who has good experience and exposure in the field of higher education, who is enthusiastic to promote creativity and innovation in Prime College, has creative mind to realize the mission, vision and goals of the college, is capable to incorporate global trends and methodologies in higher education in Prime College, has educational and managerial leadership qualities, and so on. He has now joined the Prime College management team. He is no other than our new principal, Mr. Bigendra Lal Shrestha sir. Welcome, Bigendra sir, to Prime College. Could I request you to come up on the stage, please? So signifying the handover of my duties and responsibility of the principal of Prime College, I would like to hand over this plate and his ID card as symbol of transferring my responsibility and duty to. So welcome sir once again. So I will now be transitioning to Chief Academic Advisor of Prime Educational Inc. In fact, I joined Prime in 2073 BS as the principal of Prime Global School. And that was the first year that we started that school. After that, I was transitioned to the principal of Prime International School, another entity under Prime Educational Inc., having +2 Management and Science. And after that, I was transitioned to the principal of Prime College. So I was there for 4 years. And now I am transitioning to the academic advisor, chief academic advisor to Prime Education. So I would like to request to share a few words, Bigendra sir. So I am sure that you will be very successful to lead Prime College to a greater height of success. So thank you very much. Welcome once again. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. So first of all, I'd like to congratulate all of you for completing this program. And definitely, it's a proud moment for me also to join the Prime family. Obviously, this is going to be a new journey for me also to work with you, with your new badge and to make sure that we take Prime College to even more greater height. Okay. I'd like to thank our board, the entire Prime family for giving this opportunity to take this particular responsibility. And I'm also committed to make sure that we continue the legacy left by our esteemed NP sir to even more greater height. So I don't want to take lots of time. I know all of you are really excited today. So lastly, I'd just like to say thank you everyone for being here, and congratulations for completing this program with Prime College. And we'd like to officially also welcome to you in our alumni network. And I hope that we'll have a good evening tonight. So with that, I'd like to conclude my statement. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir, for those inspiring words. We are truly fortunate to have you join our Prime College community. We ask all graduates to come up on the stage for the photo shoot.